Service appointments help you manage team members, equipment, and location as a single entry in your calendars. However, if you made a mistake, your only option was to start from scratch. Thanks to this update, you can change appointment details without needing to cancel or rebook. Let's learn how to use it. Navigate to the calendar view within the Calendars section and click on the appointment you wish to modify. Alternatively, access the Appointment List view and click the three-dot icon next to the appointment to open the options. On the right side menu, click the pencil icon to access the Editing module. Make your desired changes to the appointment, then click Save. This update enables easier accommodation of client requests without requiring rebooking due to minor errors or updates, simplifying future bookings by allowing duplicates to serve as a base, and preventing structural changes to paid appointments that might cause confusion. These changes make it easier to handle last-minute requests, corrections, or changes with minimal friction while retaining contact information and eliminating confusion around payments. We hope you enjoy it.